Hello everyone. I am Zhipeng Zhang from Institute of Automation, Chinese Academy of Sciences. And today, we're talking about my ICCV paper. Learn to Match, Automatic Matching Network Design for Visual Tracking. There are 5 core parts in this talking, including background, motivation, method, experiments, and some analysis. Here is an illustration about single object tracking. We are required to predict the target state of each frame with the annotated first frame. Single object tracking has dozens of evaluation benchmarks. For the convenience of new beginners, I build a GitHub repository showing performances of different methods on different benchmarks. In object tracking, Siamese structure is a main research stream. Siamese network considers tracking as a matching problem, where we get template from the first frame and then track the target by matching the template with candidate regions. It is a typical 3-section pattern that consists of a backbone network, a matching network and a localization network. There have been many works studying the design of backbone and localization networks. But surprisingly, although the matching network is the most important part of Siamese tracking, few works take it as a core research topic. Almost all works still use cross-correlation and its variants for matching. An intuitive question is cross-correlation optimal? As we know, cross-correlation is an explicit formulation for calculating feature distance. However, the most powerful thing of CNN or DNN network is not learning an explicit formulation. CNN is powerful because it can fit almost all kinds of data distribution under any input forms, as long as the network and loss designs are reasonable. So why define feature matching with correlation? How about we direct concatenating 2 features along its channel dimension, or just add them? We believe that, if we have enough training data, these designs can also realize the matching task. In our work, we consider matching as feature fusion instead of explicit similarity learning, and modify fusion operators from different tasks to Siamese tracking. For example, concatenation is generally used in few-shot classification. However, there is still a question: could these operators really perform well in tracking? So we first conduct experiments to see its performances. Surprisingly, almost all operators work well for tracking. The most simple operator concatenation even performs better. I call this observation wicket under the light, which means that once we are accustomed to cross-correlation, few people want to replace it with a simple concatenation. Another interesting observation is that different operators show different resilience on different challenging factors and image contents. For example, pointwise addition shows better robustness under low resolution, while transductive guidance performs better under scale variation. This inspires us to combine them to exploit complementary informative features and pursue better accuracy on all challenge factors. In order to find the optimal operator combination for tracking, we introduce differential architecture search from neural network search. Particularly, each channel of a response feature from an operator is assigned with a learnable manipulator to define its contribution to other tracking steps. For an operator, we sum all learnable manipulators corresponding to its output feature as its importance. After training, we retain the top 2 operators for matching. We replaced the cross-correlation operator in previous state-of-the-art tracker ocean with our matching network. As shown in the table, it achieves considerable gains on multiple benchmarks. For example, on most recent TNL2K, which is published in CVPR 2021, our tracker get almost 10 points gains over the baseline tracker. It demonstrates the effectiveness of our work. One interesting observation is that the search network contains both operators for directly visual fusing and relation-based ones, which indicates that operators with different working mechanisms can help each other. We also show the accuracy on different challenging attributes, which verifies that the combination of operators can get better resilience for different environment degradations. When visualizing the activation map, we found our matching network can localize the key parts of objects, which benefits target tracking. We also try to search a more complex matching cell as in darts. In other words, we search a directed acyclic graph cell for matching. But unfortunately, we haven't achieved better results until now. It is left to future work. The code will be publicly available recently. Thanks for your time.